OpenAI board was reportedly warned of a dangerous AI breakthrough ahead of Altman's firing. And Binance suffers $956 million in outflows after Zhao steps down. You're watching the Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Faraj. Ahead of OpenAI CEO Sam Altman's 4 days in exile, several staff researchers reportedly wrote a letter to the board of directors warning of a powerful AI discovery that they said could threaten humanity. The previously unreported letter and AI algorithm were key developments before the board's ouster of Altman. The letter was reportedly one factor among many grievances by the board leading to his firing. There were also concerns over Altman commercializing AI advances before understanding the consequences. Investors pulled about $956 million from crypto exchange Binance over the past 24 hours. It comes after CEO Changpeng Zhao stepped down and faced prison time after pleading guilty to settle a years-long U.S. illicit finance probe. The deal, in which Binance will pay $4.3 billion to U.S. authorities, raises questions over the future of the world's largest crypto exchange and marks another blow for an industry beset by scandal. The SEC charges alleging Binance broke U.S. securities remains unresolved. Bitcoin shook off the Binance news, though, rising 2.57% over the past 24 hours to over $37,000 this morning. The world's biggest and best-known crypto is up 42.5% from the year's low of $26,000 on October 11th. Ether, the coin linked to the Ethereum blockchain network, rose 7.94% to $2,087. Oil prices fell by more than 1% this morning, extending losses from the previous session after OPEC Plus postponed a ministerial meeting. It's causing speculation that producers might cut output less than earlier anticipated. Brent futures dropped 1.3% to under $81. And West Texas lost 1.2% to $76. In a surprise move, OPEC Plus delayed by 4 days until November 30th, a meeting where they were expected to discuss output cuts. Producers were disagreeing on reductions ahead of this meeting. Wall Street is heading towards one of its best months in the past decade, with a strong batch of quarterly earnings and economic data helping to satiate investors. The S&P 500 rose 9% in November, while the Dow climbed 6% and the Nasdaq rose 11%. The markets were boosted as corporations reported strong profit growth, and lower interest rate hopes are driving optimism about further equity expansion. More than 80% of S&P companies' Q3 earnings beat analyst expectations, according to LSEG data. Boeing has received U.S. FAA approval to flight test its 737 MAX 10 airplane variant, the largest version of its top-selling jet family. Boeing says it's a significant milestone as it works to get the 737-10, the largest airplane in the 737 MAX family, certified to enter passenger service. The aircraft has the capacity to seat 230 people, and Boeing has already received around 1,000 orders for it. The model competes with the Airbus A321neo aircraft, which has thousands of orders. And props from the hit Netflix drama The Crown will be sold at auction early next year in London. Fans will be able to buy items including a replica of Princess Diana's so-called revenge dress, a facade of the front of 10 Downing, and a fully functional replica of the Gold State coach, without the horses. 2 sales will be held live and online between Jan 30 and Feb 7, with prices for the items ranging from $75 to $62,000. I'm Ramia Faraj. This is the Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.